What's up? We back with another one, SCS. I'm on the blue box. I'm getting motioned on, so it's kind of loud. But I gotta try to figure out a way to keep bringing y'all some videos. Today, right now, I'm gonna put the bumper filler on. Put these sun visors on. These sun visors definitely has to go on, and the reason why is because when we drive this car to go get groceries or go to the P.O. box or something, the sun is usually setting, so we driving straight towards it, and it's like letting the seat up and all that. So definitely finna put those on real quick, show y'all something. These are screws I got. These are called, I forgot what they called, but these basically like OEM style screws that go in GM cars. And I found them on eBay. I didn't want to put nothing else in, so found some good screws. Feel like these should be enough. Maybe these. So we're gonna put these in there, screw them up, and then I'm gonna go outside. But I'm really gonna speed that up because y'all hear the machine is kind of loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So this one looked like it had a light, but I don't feel no wire at all. And I don't want to take nothing apart. I don't want nothing to break. They always be breaking. So I'm just gonna shove that thing in there like that. Same with that. And mirror is for the passenger, I'm guessing. Cause if I don't give it to my wife, we be tripping, man. She'll be tripping. Not so much me. So I'm going ahead and just give her the light. Cause I don't want to hear that. Slide right. Putting them in the same holes that was already right there. One visor. Jump on the other side. Don't feel like the same exact hole. It started in there, but it was a little tough. So now when we turn some corners, I can let this down. If anybody has the covers, it's covers for these straps like this. If anybody has some blue ones, email me or DM me on Instagram. But I got the covers for all the rest. And that door just looking out of the ordinary, and this is the door to get opened the most. So I definitely want to try to get that situated. So if anybody has blue covers, hit me up. I don't know if that's something I can make because it got material and then cording on it, and then it got the for those who know the box Chevy stuff, it got like a buckle on the side, like it clip on. So I definitely need that. I can't wait to replace this carpet. I cannot wait because this stuff's so ugly. And I got some Chevy rugs. Got Chevy rugs in storage. But yeah. So I got that in. There was something else I had to do this car. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. Alright, so the other day about a week ago. I think it was last weekend, man. I was riding, dropping off some parts, Chevrolet two-door. My boy, I told y'all follow him. And the car just cut off, and I didn't know what it was. And this what it was. The battery cable on the battery wire on the distributor slipped out. So I went and bought the clip-on ones. Show y'all how these go on. So this got the battery and the tack. So this got the battery and the tack wire attached. So I got the tack, and that works for both the digital gauges and it works for the alarm. So let me take this thing off real quick. So this how this one works. Oh, look like it ain't even fit. Damn. Oh, it ain't even fit. Alright, so it got the groove in there for this, but it still ain't working. So I think this is what's stopping it though. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, then try to put it back on. Alright, got it sanded down on one side. Let's see what we get now. Hopefully it slide right up. Oh. I see what it is. See how it's tapered, small at the top and then get wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind it down with the grinder. That's what the problem is. Maybe on the back side, so you won't be able to see it. Just as I suspected. That's what it was. So it's the old wire. I still ain't run all that stuff, man. I ain't had time. But this car got the factory wiring system. Got a lot of stuff, man. This was the OEM wire right here. I ain't even know I'm bleeding, man. I always bust myself up. So I can kind of probably take that with the harness. All this stuff really gonna come out because I'm doing the Vortex 350 on this. But for now, till that time come, go ahead, do what I do. So put this on this red and that black. It's my tack. Tie that on the green one, and that'll be done. So y'all know, every time I install these gauges, it's been LS. So on small block, it's a fitting adapter that you need for the oil pressure because the intake is gonna be in the way. So I just came up with my own 1/8 hack that I'm hoping gonna work. It should work because I just stuck a 27mm 1/2 inch socket in part of the extension in the cram spot. So this fitting, the coupler and the sensor should all be able to fit and be tightened with just like an adjustable wrench or something like that. The piece that I actually need is like a 4590, one of the two, elbow adapter. DAKOTA Digital sell it, but I didn't think I was gonna need it, and they didn't like recommend me needing it because everybody usually that buy the kit have a LS style motor. So yeah, I just had to go get something that I could finagle and get to work for me. And now I'm gonna go put the oil in, connect the speedo, and hopefully I can still knock out the bumper filler. It's getting a little dark, as y'all can see. Put it in the front garage, because with the oil pressure in there, I ain't gonna be able to start the car. So I had to try to come up with something real quick. And I just got that motion done too, so I had to go to ATM. So I had to come out anyway. But I'll try this out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. And I'm gonna show y'all if it do. Let me show y'all real quick why I needed that adapter. So you see the intake. Yeah, right there. See the intake. Then you see. Nope, can't see nothing. Ain't no tightening that up. It's not even straight up and down. So I had to get an adapter. to be able to bring it up. And I just use what I can find locally. All right, so I got this contraption taken care of. So they don't recommend putting tape on your cinders, but for the temp I didn't. But for the oil, I'm not risking it. All right, got that back connected. I had it ran a different way with the power wire, so I'm just about to see if it works. If I remote start and it start, both working, the tack and the power wire. Okay, so they both working. Let's see about the oil pressure. Yeah, y'all can see it. Hold on. So we got oil. Then I'm gonna just connect the speed, and to calibrate, you gotta drive it for a mile. To calibrate the speed, you just gotta drive it for a mile. Let me put all these little tools up and clean. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look once I pull all the wires through. But I'm gonna cover up the tack and battery wire on the distributor. I don't know if I'm gonna get that cruise control going, cause like I said, this motor gonna be coming out eventually, so I'm really gonna put all that time into that. Windshield wipers I'm gonna figure out, but I'm gonna pull all that through once I pull the power wire out and run it on this side. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead and calibrate this thing real quick, so I can see what's going on. And shoot, I might well go to my PO box while I'm out looking for a package. What?